Hi everyone, good morning. Another day for another devotion. So, ang topic natin is religion versus kingdom. A powerful shift of thinking that can help us. So, kingdom is a country. And this takes a very strong paradigm shift. To shift you from religion to country is very difficult. To help you change your thinking from rituals to rites is very difficult. So, to change you from membership to citizenship is very difficult. Religion has members, countries don't. Country have citizens, and they have a very big difference. Members have no power. Citizens have power. They have rights. So if you are in a religion, you are already in trouble because you position yourself to become powerless. Unlike when you are a citizen, you have the power. So you have to shift your mind, and it takes a very strong thinking to shift your mind into from rituals into rites. You have to focus on citizenships because I know it's very difficult, but it's for a long term plan. And if you look at it, members don't have powers because it corrupts of the persons that in charge of that religion. So you don't have the chance to engage yourself, having a freedom to know the truth. But when you are citizens, you have freedom. You have the power to know the truth, to know the rights. That's why don't shift yourself into religion. Shift yourself into citizenship. Don't focus on the rituals. Focus on the rights. You have that freedom, you have that rights. Change yourself, not from membership, but into citizenship. Because religion have members, but countries don't. Countries have citizens who have the rights. It has creatures that have power. Citizens is a creatures that have powers and rights. So focus on citizenships. Don't position yourself to positions that powerless. Hope you learned something. Thank you everyone, and God bless.